For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Sourav Ganguly and Mahendra Singh Dhoni, two names that will remain etched in the history of Indian cricket. Ganguly and Dhoni have given Indian cricket plenty of moments to cherish during their captaincy regime. By the turn of the century, Sourav Ganguly replaced Sachin Tendulkar as Indian captain amidst match-fixing allegations. MS Dhoni took over the mantle of captaincy from Anil Kumble in Tests and Rahul Dravid in ODIs. Dhoni took his game to an altogether new level after taking up the captaincy duties. Both Dada and Mahi were instrumental in taking Indian cricket forward, but both did so in a contrasting style. Ganguly was an aggressive skipper, while Dhoni led the team in a cool and calm way. Lalchand Rajput, who was India's manager in 2007, has revealed the difference between the two legends. Lalchand Rajput reckons Dhoni is a mixture of Dada and Dravid in his leadership style.
To be honest, Dhoni was very calm. He used to think 2 steps ahead because a captain has to make a decision on the ground. One thing I liked about him was that he was a thinking captain. He seemed to me like a mixture of Ganguly and Rahul Dravid. Ganguly was very aggressive and positive in his thinking.
On Ganguly, Lalchand Rajput said that he changed the mindset of Indian cricketers.
Ganguly used to give players a lot of confidence. Ganguly was the one who changed the mentality of the Indian team, and I think it was just carried forward by Dhoni. If Dhoni felt like a certain player had potential, he made sure he gave that player enough opportunities.
Under Ganguly's leadership, India registered some historic bilateral series victories. The most famous of them was the 2002 NatWest series win against England at Lord's. Under Dhoni, India won all the 3 ICC trophies and became the #1 side in Test matches for the first time in 2009. Both Ganguly and Dhoni possesses an impeccable record as a leader. In 49 Test matches that India played under Sourav Ganguly, the team registered 21 wins, while it came second best on 13 occasions. 15 matches ended in no result, while Ganguly has a win percentage of 42.85 as Indian skipper in Test matches. On the other hand, in 60 Test matches India played under Dhoni, the team emerged victorious in 27 games, while it lost 18 games. 15 matches ended in no result, while Dhoni has a win percentage of 45. In 146 ODI matches that India played under Sourav Ganguly, the team registered 76 wins, while it came second best on 65 occasions. 5 matches ended in no result, while Ganguly has a win percentage of 53.90 as Indian skipper in ODI cricket. On the other hand, in 200 ODI matches India played under Dhoni, the team emerged victorious in 110 games, while it lost 74 games. 5 matches ended in a tie, while 11 matches ended in no result. Dhoni has a win percentage of 45. Their resume as a leader is a testament of how much they have contributed to Indian cricket. Dhoni might edge Sourav when it comes to winning the ICC titles, but their contributions to Indian cricket will be remembered for a very long time.